Get ready for the future of artificial intelligence. At CDO Aachen on November 20th, we are gathering the brightest minds in the industry to show you how you can catalyze AI in your business. Gain valuable insights into how AI can optimize your processes, drive innovation, and ensure sustainable success. Top speakers from industry leaders such as Siemens, Continental, Bosch, and Neuro Robotics will share their advancements and their learnings in implementing AI solutions. Don't miss this opportunity to connect with executives, industry leaders, thought leaders, and register for free today.